Get more done in less time with TurboWash. The TurboWash feature on your LG washing machine uses a power motion wash action system along with increased water temperatures to enhance and speed up the wash cycle, resulting in shorter wash times without sacrificing wash performance. Its special combination of drain, rinse, and spin help reduce the time needed to remove the dirty soapy water. The wash cycle is simulated here by a basin filled with soapy water for washing hands, which is drained and then filled back up with fresh water to rinse the hands. The TurboWash Smart Rinse Jet Spray nozzle acts like the running faucet used here to help wash and rinse the hands, which saves a lot more time. The TurboWash indicator light will illuminate when it is activated. TurboWash is a default option when selecting the normal, heavy duty, and speed wash cycles and cannot be deselected. To deactivate TurboWash from these cycles, select the steam, cold wash, or fabric softener options on your control panel. This returns these cycles to their normal operation and timing. For the speed wash cycle, TurboWash cannot be deactivated. The downloaded cycle is default to the small load cycle. Other tag-on downloaded cycles with the selectable TurboWash option are available using the LG Smart Laundry app. For the bright whites, towels, and sanitary cycles, TurboWash can be selected or deselected. TurboWash is not a selectable option for the remaining cycles. Refer to the manual for further details. Note: for the most effective use of your fabric softener, LG recommends that TurboWash be deselected. Fabric softener still can be used, even though the fabric softener indicator light is not illuminated. Fast forward your laundry with LG's TurboWash.